So, sir, now you have announced that you will be taking part in the upcoming assembly elections in West Bengal. So, what is going to be your strategy and what kind of campaigning will take place in the coming days?
See, our party work has already started in West Bengal. So yesterday I had gone and met Mr. Abbas Siddiqui, and I also went to this famous dargah over there of Abu Bakr Siddiq Rahmatullah Alayh, who has who played a very important role in anti-imperialist and anti-British struggle. And I met Abbas Siddiqui Sahab, Pirzada Abbas Siddiqui Sahab, and we'll definitely contest in the forthcoming assembly elections. And also, we have decided that we will go along with Abbas Siddiqui Sahab, and we'll stand with him with whatever decision he takes in the future. As far as the work on ground is concerned, we also have a presence on the ground. We have to work more harder, I agree. But to say that we are not there, we are there at the ground. We'll definitely work more harder. And now is the time to really put our more efforts in, and that is why I had visited yesterday. And I'll be going to West Bengal more frequently and to strengthen my party, and that will definitely happen.
Will this alliance which you have taken up in the West Bengal, will this be a combined one till in the coming elections also?
Yes, definitely. That is why I've said that whatever decision Pirzada Abbas Siddiqui takes, we will stand with him. And I'm sure that he will take a very positive decision in coming days to come.
One question on the BJP and the TMC, which they have been campaigning. We also see Amit Shah visiting West Bengal frequently. How do you see and what kind of strategy will the MIM apply? Will it be a stronger one than when we compare it with the Bihar elections?
No, any election which any political party fight, you have to have a very serious approach, a very organized approach, and you take it very seriously. You cannot take any election, whether it's assembly, parliament, or a municipal or Zilla Parishad, you cannot take it lightly. So definitely we'll put all our efforts. In fact, we'll try to put more efforts than what we had put in Bihar. And that is the main objective, that you give your best shot at it and hope for the best result to come.
So last time also we saw in Bihar, MIM was told as a vote cutter party last time when we speak about the Bihar elections. So this time also, is it going to be something like that?
See, allegations will definitely be made against me. So that is part and parcel of political life. I am not going to stop my work on the basis for some basis allegations which are being continuously being made, which have no truth. There's no truth in it whatsoever. So people are welcome to make allegations, but the more they do, the more firmer our resolve gets, and the more people understand that what MIM is doing is the truth, and it's much better than other political parties.
But will you be able to give a tough fight to the TMC, because Mamata Banerjee is the ruling CM there?
Why not? Why not? We'll definitely give a tough fight to be a TMC, to BJP, to any other political party or its candidate which are going to contest. It's not a question of only TMC, it's going to be BJP also, because we feel that Mamata Banerjee is responsible for the emergence of BJP in West Bengal. And had she had good policies, BJP would not have won 18 parliament seats. If she was good in running her party, the senior-most founder leaders of her party would not have gone and joined BJP. So definitely we will be contesting hard against the TMC and the BJP also.
So that was AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi speaking to us on Republic TV in regard with the West Bengal elections, and saying that AIMIM will definitely give a tough fight to the BJP and the TMC. This is Aniri Shah with video journalist Chandrasena for Republic TV.